Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix sleep mode not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart phone, just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so go to app library, tap on settings app, click on app management, click on app list, click on clock app and click on clear cache clock app. After clear cache clock app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app, find setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, click on reset, enter phone pin, tap on this icon. After the process, go back to home screen, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix sleep mode not working on Infinix GT50 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.